Welcome to Events. Here, you can sell tickets, take RSVPs. You can do this for in-person events as well as online. So let's walk through how to create an event. You can get started by clicking on Create an Event, and then you'll be prompted to choose either Ticketed or RSVP. For now, let's click on Ticketed. On the right-hand side, you'll be able to view a desktop and mobile view at any time. This will help you confirm your styling for the build of your event to make sure it matches your brand. Let's start by naming our event. This one is going to be a local meetup. We're going to be selling tickets, but we also want it to look very good. You can choose a cover image. For the cover image, you can choose something that's a PNG, JPEG, GIF. Just make sure the size is 1920 by 1080 and the maximum file size is 5 megabytes or under. You can upload from your computer, or you can choose from your media storage inside your account. If you choose an image that isn't the correct size, you'll be able to choose the positioning for your brand. Click on Save, and now you've got your image set up. If you ever want to go and edit it, you can click on Set Focus Point, or you can remove the image by clicking on the X. Jumping down to the short summary. This is a quick overview of what the event entails. This section will be a quick summarization of the event, and you can go into more detail in the description. The short summary will show up underneath most of your events. The event description will be viewable whenever the user clicks into the event that they're looking to join. Click on Continue, and then we'll be presented with the date and time. Here, you can choose from a selected drop-down of dates and start times. Once you've selected your available date and start time, we'll click on Continue. Make sure to switch between your desktop and mobile view every once in a while to confirm that you like the styling of your event. Next, we can choose the location, whether this is in person or online. With an in-person setting, you'll be able to choose by typing in a location search address. This will look at Google for the locale that you are hosting the event. By typing in a name and being specific with the location, you can choose where the event is being hosted. You can edit the location details, such as venue name, address, city zip, country, and state, and confirm on the map of the location. By scrolling down on the right-hand side and interacting with the mobile or desktop view, you can see how the location would show up. Underneath the online version, you can choose whether or not the online event access will show up on the online attendee page, or if it should be visible only to registered attendees. You have visible, hidden until event starts, and custom schedule. This will allow you to choose the timing per event or specific time for the address online to show up. You can then choose the page title, enter in the join link, and choose an image. Once you've chosen the image and styled it to your choice and put in a link, you'll see on the right-hand side that because we have it as a custom schedule, the virtual link will be shared after you register. But if we move it over to visible, and then we click on the preview the online attendee page, we can see a demo of the page and see the online session link. This is what the page will look like once someone is going to join the online session. For now, we're going to select in person, and then we'll click on the Continue button. Next, we can enter in the organization information. Once we put in the organization image, which is optional, put in the organization name, as well as the email, we can click on Create Event. Now that you've created the event, you can see in the upper left-hand corner that this is local event, which is the name that we chose, and is currently in draft. You'll see a few steps to finish setting up your event. The steps include creating tickets, connecting a payment provider, reviewing your checkout form, reviewing notifications, review pages and design, and publishing the event.